Hey guys, how to change phone number on Facebook. Go ahead and click your menu at the bottom right. Now you're gonna see the menu tool. Press the settings gear at the top right. Then go ahead to the account center or Meta. Under the account settings, you're gonna see password and security, personal details, and all that stuff. Go ahead to the personal details, right? Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna see the contact info, birthday, identity confirmation, account ownership and control. Press the first option, right? And then you're gonna see your email and your phone number. Go ahead and press your phone number and then hit delete, right? And then add the new phone number, and verify the new phone number using SMS, or Facebook will send you a verification code from their platform to your WhatsApp, so you can verify that you own that phone. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.